I ordered this beautiful chair, so I'm gonna assemble it and I'm gonna show you how everything looks. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna love it. The installation process is like super easy because it comes with literally with everything that you need. So guys, the installation process is like super easy. And it comes with everything that you need. We're gonna cross these two, and it comes with these 5. So you're gonna take the smaller one, okay? Now that we already have like the first part, the second one is easier, and that's gonna be all. So we're gonna take the bottom of the shirt. We're gonna take this, and we're gonna put it like this. Okay guys, now that we already did all 4 on the corners and this one that was the first one in the middle, that will be it. This chair definitely meets your needs. It has the smooth touch and the backrest looks like a beautiful seashell. Really love it because they have like 10 colors and 3 different styles: velvet, fox fur, and sherpa. In total, to choose from as you like. And the seat adopts like a double layer cushion, which will make it like super soft when you're sitting on it. So guys, I really recommend this beautiful chair. It's like super beautiful. The material, it looks like super elegant, and it's a velvet material, so it's like super soft and it's super comfortable. You can perfectly just chill, lay down in this beautiful chair. There are like so many different colors that you can just buy the one that you prefer, the one that you love. It's perfect to put it in your living room, in your bedroom, as a vanity, like chair desk. I mean, this is like perfect like for any space in your house. I really recommend it. It's like super beautiful. Like the installation, it took me literally less than 5 minutes. Like 5 minutes is like too much. So the installation is like super easy. So guys, I really recommend this beautiful chair. You guys definitely need to get it. So if you guys are looking for an elegant design, adjustable footbed, double layer cushion seat, this is definitely your best option chair. I really recommend it 100%, guys. You guys definitely need to get it.